Welcome to this CSS tutorial. Now in this video we're going to be talking about CSS inheritance and overriding. So when we talk about this CSS inheritance and overriding, if you followed my HTML series where we talked about nesting elements, you will at least get a glimpse of what we want to talk about now. So let's first go over the CSS inheritance. So as we all know, in the HTML structure, everything inside here, they are all child elements to our HTML tag. This HTML tag, everything inside, the head, the body, and the paragraphs and the H1, they are all child elements to the HTML element. Now this title is the child element to the head element. Now this H1 and the paragraphs here, they are the child element to our body element. Now let me give you an example of this inheritance using CSS. Now inheritance, now you can come over here and you use the body element, then you open your rule set, and then for example now let's give it a color of red. Let's give it a color of red, and then let's go back to our browser. Now let's refresh this. Now you can see absolutely everything on our web page is colored red. All the text is colored red. Now the reason for this is because they inherited it from their parent. They inherited it from this body, which is their parent. This H1, the paragraph, the H2, and also this paragraph, they inherited it from the parent element, which is this body. So if you use this body element and style it, everything inside the body element will have the effect. So that is how it works. That is how the inheritance works. They have inherited the styling we gave to the body. So now let's talk about the overriding. When we talk about the overriding, you can come over here. Now since we have given the body a color of red, when we talk about this overriding, you can still come over here. Now let's say for example you want the paragraph to be green. You want the color of the paragraph to be green. So that is where the overriding comes into play. You can come over here now. You can come over here and use the P elements, and then you open your rule set and you can say color. You can use the color, and you can use the color of green. Now by doing this, we have override the body. We have override this styling we gave on the body. Now let's refresh this. Now you can see, despite us using the body to style with the red color, we have override the property. We have override the styling we gave to the body. Now you can see the two paragraphs are green. So as far as any styling you give here has override the body styling we gave at the top here. So it doesn't matter even if we give the body here, any styling we give below here, if we say paragraph color green, that means we have override what we gave to the body. If we want to, now you can see the effect is still, the body effect is only working on the header element, the H1 element and the H2 element. So if we still do this, if we still come over here, if we use the H1, comma, and H2, and then we open our rule set, and if we still say color, color of green, and then we refresh this on our page now you can see now, by doing this, we have also override the stylings we gave to the body. So that's how the CSS overriding and CSS inheritance work. Yeah, so that is how that works. Yeah, so that will be it for this video, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.